Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display last sale order price into create new sale order line. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev last sale price. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users, and see here these options enable last sale price. First allow this, let's save. Now go to sales, create order, add customer like a deco addict, add product like a conference chair, and now I add unit price is 100. Let's save, do confirm, again create new, add deco addict and add here same product conference chair. Let's save. So see here last sale price is display 100. Thank you.